Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to setting up Visual Studio Code for Django and Python development in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's get started. First of all, ensure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code and Python on your system, and then open a new terminal and create Python virtual environment using this command. Here venv is the name of virtual environment project. Okay, now open Visual Studio Code and click here and search for Python extension. Okay, from here click on Python extension pack. Now click on this install button. It may take a while. Okay, Python extension pack installed successfully. Now go back to terminal and activate the virtual environment with this command source venv, then bin subdirectory, then type activate. If you see this, that means virtual environment project is active. Now install Django using pip package installer with this command. You can install specific Django version. I'm going to install Django 3.2 LTS. It may take a while. Okay, now I'm going to create a Django project with this command Django admin space start project, and then enter the project name my site. Okay, now navigate to Django project by cd. Now create a Django application using this command. Type python 3 and then type manage, and then write the command start app, and then enter the application name here, API. Okay, now open this Django project with Visual Studio Code. Open folder. Okay, now expand my site and then open settings.py. It may take a while for downloading IntelliCode models. Okay, from here click on select interpreter and then click on enter interpreter path, and then click on find to browse the Python interpreter. Navigate to virtual environment and then bin subdirectory. From here select Python version. From here select Python 3 and then click on select interpreter. Okay, now close this Visual Studio Code and then reopen. That's it. Python virtual environment activated automatically on Visual Studio Code. Now write something and you will get Python autocompletion from here. That's it. Now start Django development server with this command python 3 manage run server and then hit enter and browse this URL. That's it. You can stop this server by pressing Ctrl plus C. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.